The question of whether you can use the McDonald's app on DoorDash is an interesting one. To clarify, McDonald's and DoorDash are two separate entities. McDonald's is a food chain that produces and supplies food, while DoorDash is a delivery service that allows you to have food delivered to your home. Although McDonald's is a participant in the DoorDash service, DoorDash also partners with numerous other restaurants. As a result, you cannot use McDonald's credits or money directly on DoorDash. If you want to purchase a gift card to use on DoorDash, you must ensure that it is specifically for DoorDash, as a McDonald's gift card will not be compatible. This distinction is important to note, and understanding the differences between these two services can help you navigate their respective platforms more effectively.